right. The headlights, I got them orange. They're orange. I did some other stuff too. I got it running, obviously. Thanks. Okay, in the garage running. You know, looks like a transformer. That's how you start it. Okay. Got the brake on. I still have that safety set up. I got this little push button right here. The lights off. You can see that they're just painted orange, and it kind of looks like a face. I think it does. Thanks. Fearless front mud tractor, an extension on the last one with the lights, running it. I did this little brush guard. I was thinking about extending more off the sides, but it's a good start. What I did was I cut those tabs off the bottom. I couldn't find the round pipe that I wanted to use, but I guess it's better. This is 2-inch square stock that I welded. You can't quite see it. It's right under the muffler right there. Right there. There it is. 2-inch square stock I welded on. And then this used to be like a truck. Some sort of a truck. That's what it looked like originally. That's what it looked like originally. Like a step up so you could climb into a tall truck. I had them kicking around. I'm going to put one in the front. I'm going to put one in the rear too. Might as well. Hey, got them. Thanks.